Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable ads in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon that represents with V icon, and the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Vivaldi settings, scroll down and click on this one privacy and security option in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and to disable ads in Vivaldi browser, you can select this one third option. This one third option. And in case you want to enable the ads in Vivaldi browser, select this one first option that says no blocking. This will not block any ads on your Vivaldi browser.